Tensions in West Asia are escalating as drone strikes and military activity across the region raise fears of a wider conflict. Emergency teams responded to a fire at the petroleum industrial area in Fujairah after a drone struck the Fujairah oil industry zone this morning. Authorities said the strike triggered a limited fire which was quickly brought under control by civil defense units. No injuries were reported, but all loading operations at the terminal have been temporarily suspended. The incident marks the second attack on the strategic energy hub of UAE within 48 hours. Fujairah is a key oil export hub that allows shipments to bypass the Strait of Hormuz, a vital global shipping route currently facing disruptions. Drones were also intercepted over Dubai and Abu Dhabi, briefly affecting fuel and aviation operations. Meanwhile, operations at Dubai International Airport resumed after a drone struck a fuel tank and sparked a fire early in the day. Amid the escalating crisis, U.S. President Donald Trump said Washington is asking several countries to deploy warships to keep the Strait of Hormuz open as Iran continues strikes across the Gulf region. The European Union is also considering naval measures to secure the waterway, while Japan, Australia and the United Kingdom have said they currently have no plans to send ships. Rising tensions have pushed oil prices higher, with Brent crude trading near $105 per barrel as concerns grow over global energy supplies.